In this video, we will discuss how to use the voice command and voice note apps on your Garmin Fenix 8 Series Multisport watch. We will be using a Fenix 8 AMOLED edition, but these steps will also apply to any of the other Fenix 8 Series watches. Voice command allows you to use the watch by saying commands. When you first open the voice command app, it will provide a list of example commands. See your owner's manual for a full list of available voice commands. To start voice command, you can either open the app from the Apps and Activities list or use the shortcut. To use the voice command shortcut, press and hold the Start-Stop button to have the watch start listening to your request. For example, you can quickly open a run activity by saying Start a Run. Once processed, the watch will open to the pre-run check screen. This feature is also handy by allowing you to access timers or save a location without needing to navigate through menus on the watch. Next, we will discuss voice notes. The Voice Notes app allows you to record voice notes that you can review later. This is especially handy when you're out running or camping and need to take a quick note of something. To record a voice note, press the Start-Stop button to open the Apps and Activities list. Use the down button to scroll to Voice Notes. Press the Start-Stop button to select it. Before you begin a voice note, you can adjust the GPS settings to record your coordinates for the note. Press the Up menu button to access the GPS settings. Then select Location to adjust when your GPS location will be recorded. Your watch will begin searching for a GPS signal. If you do not require GPS for your note, select Skip. To start a new note, press the Start-Stop button to begin the recording. Once finished, press the Start-Stop button to stop the recording. You can see the duration of the new recording, coordinates, and the ability to play back your voice note. Pressing the Up button will open the settings for the note and let you rename it or delete it. To recall your recorded notes, reopen the Voice Notes app and access the library. And that's it. To learn more about your Fenix 8 Series Multisport watch, see our other videos, or visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.